Hey guys, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and if you're in the Metabo HPT multi-volt line or the Hitachi 18-volt line where you have the lithium ion batteries, you're going to want to check out this new Metabo HPT multi-port charger. This is a 4-bank charger and it has a lot of cool options with it, so I'm going to bring you in, show you what it does, and give you an idea of what you would be buying and how it's going to be very useful for you. So what makes this charger stand out is it's multi-mode, but while it's not plugged in and there's no batteries, I want to kind of show you around. So you have two 110 outlets on this side that are live 10 amp total that you can draw from there. You have two USB outlets on this side, 2 amp draw max, so it's not going to charge your phone uber fast, but it's going to give you that option. To turn on the USB, you'd have to push that button. Let's plug this guy in. It should blink red, letting us know that it's on. And when you put the batteries in, it's going to start charging again from port 1 to 4 in that order. For a 3 amp hour 18 volt Hitachi battery, it takes about 30 minutes. For the 8 amp hour multi-volt battery, it's going to take about 52 minutes. You'll hear the fan kicking on. If we want to make this charge all of them, which would take approximately 4 hours, we just push the multi-mode button and boom, it's charging everything. What is big about this is that it gives you the option to say, I need a battery now, so I'm putting a battery on here and going to let it charge past if I don't take that battery out. Or it's, I need a group of batteries set for after lunch, for tomorrow, and it's going to slow charge them overnight, get you a good charge. That's huge because normally we're choosing one or the other. We're going to choose a fast charger where it's constantly fast, or we're going to end up choosing a slow charger. This is, to me, something that every tool company should have out, and it's a game changer for on the site. It allows for a small, compact design that's easy to be carried around. The way the Metabo HPT batteries are set up, they have a small vent up top, and this battery charger also has a vent on the side. So when that fan kicks on, like it is right there, it will allow the air to come in this side, also pull some of the hot air from the batteries and push it out the back, keeping all the cells cool as they charge. So plain and simple, is technology dead in tools? Heck no, they're continuing to innovate, design, and get things more set up so that the end user has the option to choose how they want to run their tools. That's cool, and there's going to continue to be more innovation that's out there. So Metabo HPT, to me, is not the most affordable tools out there, but they are setting people up to allow them to have corded options, cordless options, and they're producing very high quality tools with a lifetime warranty. That's going to catch on at some point. I really believe it is, and it's going to push other manufacturers to do more to keep up with them. That's cool. That's what I really like about this line. I appreciate your comments below on this. What would you do if you had a charger like this? Do you have a charger like this from another company? I don't think that there's one out there in red or yellow and black at this point. If I'm missing it, please let me know. I like the idea of the choice, not just having one that charges fast or one that charges slow, or a multi-charger that just does what it wants to per how it's working. I like the choice. Let me know what you think. As always, I appreciate that thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave me those comments. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.